Greetings and welcome. Finally I can announce that I accomplished another project of mine. Started around September last year. At the beginning of December I did the first test with snow. And now after 4 months of construction it's more or less finished. My first snowmobile. It's January 21st of 2024. According to the weather forecast, it's the last cold day with snow. After that there will be warmer weather. So without a question, it's now or never. Well, at least for some time. And I simply can't wait any longer. So let's do this. Asphalt road ahead. Have to push it, because don't want to destroy the vehicle, nor the street. Wow, didn't consider the traction to be an issue. Just a tiny bit uphill and the roller is already spinning like crazy. Well, it's more a snow drifter than a motorized snow sled, it appears. Gosh, it just performs quite awesome. Actually very controllable. Well, yeah, here I'm struggling a little bit to find the perfect lane. What else? Oh yeah, you see that golf ball? Always wanted to use one of those as a hand grip. Be warned, if you try to drill a hole into one of these yourself. Besides the rubber stuff inside, mine was loaded with some liquid under pressure, so wear some safety glasses. Anything else? On the right hand side there's finally a brake lever with a connected disc brake in the back. At the very front is the exhaust muffler, because I wanted to try that idea of a heater for the feet. But to be honest, can't tell if it works at all, because that day I was wearing some self-heat shoe soles, so it remains a mystery. Enough chit chat, let's continue the testing. Selecting forward, pedal to the metal and off we go. I didn't dare to turn it off, because at home I had some serious trouble with starting. Well, at first it started just great, and after just a little short while it wouldn't start again at all. Benzin on is off. I guess it's the fault of that cheap carburetor. Already cleaned it twice. Stupid thing. changing from an unpaved path onto an asphalt road. Again some traction problems on a snowy road, which goes uphill too. After the hill, it finally gathered some speed again. I guess a roller isn't that great after all. Yeah, I know, it's sadly a little bit less snow for driving. Could be more for sure. But have to make the best out of the situation. Debriefing. So the test drive of about 5 kilometers in total did happen without any major problems. Well, the road roller got a few minor hits. Except for that huge one, right here. I'm surprised that those old rusty spokes survived. Actually, I was guessing that they would quit very fast. Well, the chain is a little bit loose too. No problem, can fix it easy. Just some water from the snow, that's fine. But here's a big problem. The steering shaft became a bit loose, so the steering wheel isn't matching with the direction of the front wheels anymore. Original, those bicycle front sets are like shown here. The bolt to fasten the wedge comes from above, but because I made the handlebar stem tube very long, I had to install that wedge bolt from below. Right now I'm unable to reach that bolt anymore. But it's simply no option to remove the complete body panel also. So only remaining option left is to make myself a maintenance flap to get access to the bolt again. A normal Allen head wrench won't do the trick. So I need something like this, a Allen head wrench nut. But all I have now is a Alcan long socket spanner insert. But I need a Allen long socket drive thing. Yeah, sure, that Alcan thing would fit too, but it wouldn't last. Can't risk it. So I'll have to do some shopping to get the right tool for the job.